Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try something a little bit unique. I've got the Novostella light kit. This is a 6 LED floodlight kit, and I've got something special planned for this. As you can see on the illustration of the box, it's meant for outdoor use to really give your house a unique look with different lighting effects and different colors for different seasons or just everyday lighting. And we're going to use this kit inside my house, inside our big lake room where we're going to celebrate Christmas this year and have our Christmas tree set up and everything. And I want to give the ceiling and the upper wall a light treatment with this to give it like that magical feeling of Christmas lights. So I'm going to look inside here and we're going to see what exactly we get with this kit. Of course, the manual, and it comes packed. And now I've got to hide some of these cords. It does come with ground stake anchors, which we won't need in our case here. And these are nice little compact LED light fixtures. And they're all wired together in 6 lights. At the end, you've got the power supply and plug for your outlet. And they say this is combined, all 6 of these lights are only 60 watts, which is great. I like that. Low wattage, especially since I'm getting into solar and battery power supplement for our house. So these are going to work great. And our back lake room where I plan to mount these, usually in the evening time it gets kind of dark, and I'm hoping these can help light up and reflect off of our large tall ceiling and give us some added lighting since we don't have a light right above us. I think these will really help us out. And they're all wired together, of course, and these strings are kind of bundled up. I'm going to kind of keep these tied up like this because I only need a few inches of space in between all 6 of them. At least that's my plan. And I see it does come with a nice little remote control, and I believe it comes with an app as well. So stick around. We're going to get these mounted up behind the beam, behind our projector beam, and hopefully we get good results. Stay tuned. All right, wait a minute. I just was reading the manual. This light kit comes in a 4 or 6 pack, but as I stated earlier, it does not come with a remote control app. This is your remote control right here. It's radio frequency remote, so RF remote, not IR, so you don't have to point it directly at the lighting system. As long as you're within the range, you don't have to point this remote. It's radio frequency. So it does have lots of different unique rainbow, chase, flow, jump, fade, breathe, flash, and auto effects. So, and then I see it's got lots of different buttons with different colors. So we're going to test this out in just a little bit here. All right, I couldn't wait. I had to set it up here on the bench and let's just test it out. With the remote included, we're going to press the on button right here. And boom, I like it because, like I said, sometimes I just want to have extra lighting in that large room there. And with 6 added lights like these, we can have some extra yellowish white light. And we've got also blue, green, red, and these other buttons, I think they're different shades. Here's like an orange, or you can change it to yellow. All that is under the red category, or green. We got different shades of green. And then blue, we got different shades of blue, like we can go into purples and pinks, and then whites as well, different shades of white. So that's pretty cool. Now you do have brightness as well. We can go full brightness, or we can dim it, which is awesome. Now, I think I'm probably going to hook these up to a smart outlet so that I can turn them on and off remotely with a smart timer for my smart home setup, so that I don't have to grab this remote all the time, and I can just tell my smart Alexa device to go ahead and turn the lights on the beam when I want to. But it does have these also, it's got these special effects. Let's just change this to jump. That's jump mode. We got fade mode. And then you can adjust the speed as well on those different modes. Here's smooth mode. I'm liking this, pretty nice. Here's strobe. Strobe mode. And like I said, you can adjust the speed. And we got rainbow effect. Very nice. We got chase. I really like when the LEDs and strings do chase modes. I like the chase modes. And we got flow. That's kind of like another chasing mode. We got jump. And that's pretty cool how it switches up the colors. And we got fade. Very smooth switching up the colors there. We got breathe or breath. And we got flash. And then we have auto. So I think maybe auto goes through all of those previous modes. But let's go back to chase. Pretty cool, huh? All right, nothing left but get the ladder out. All right, so this is the room I want to install it in. Those lights are going to go up above the beam, above our projector right there. And those, I believe, are Novostella lights currently up there, but they're not as fancy as the ones that we got here that we're going to install today. Actually, they do change colors, but they don't have that RF remote control. It's operated by a smart app. But we're going to go ahead, and I think I'm going to take those two down and put them over our security monitor over there. So we'll have 3 up there, and then we're going to have that string of 6 with those fancy different modes. We're going to go up there, and this year we're going to put our Christmas tree right here in front of the lake view windows. So that's the plan. All right, let me show you what we're working with here. Get up here on this ladder, and this is what is above and inside the faux beam that I built here. So we've got room all the way down here, and these are the Novostellas that are coming out. We're going to put our 6-pack right up here. Let me get that done. All right, now I think the best solution is to hook it up to a YoLink Smart Outlet Plug, mini plug by YoLink. These work fantastic. They never fail. I'm very happy with YoLink devices, smart devices around your house. They can make your house really, really smart and reliable. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this program real quick. If you haven't seen my YoLink videos, you can check out this one up here and see if this is something you may like for your home. All right, we got it, guys. I got it all set up now with my YoLink Smart Plug outlet. We're gonna go ahead and display our results. Turn on Starlights. Turn on Starlights. liking it. Looks really, really good. More lighting up there. We got 6 over here. That's the string of 6 that I put up. And I added the extra 2 back over to this side. So now we've got 3 Novostella lights there and that 6-pack right up above the projector. Turn on projector. Now, I want to show you the different scenes that you can do with the remote control. So I got them on white right now. Of course, you got all your different colors. You can go through blue, green, red, and your different shades. And you can set them for 3 hours or 6 hours. And we'll try these different settings here. And what else we got? We got jump. We got fade. It's pretty cool. Smooth. Strobe. Rainbow. Try rainbow. Pretty neat. I like that. Chase. Now the hard decision is going to be, what setting do I want for Christmas when we get our Christmas tree set up? I'm expecting to put it up right there. And then I can also change the colors on these. They don't do the special effects, but I'll probably put like green, red, and blue or something there, and then have these with the special effects on it. And we got a fade. We can slow it down if we want with the speed right there, or speed it up. Disco party. We got flash. Breathe, or breath. Fade. Or you can do auto, and I believe that takes you through all of those different modes. If you're interested in this product by Novostella, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the video's description below. And guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.